Hello and welcome to another episode of Granny Friday. Okay, so what is Granny Friday? It's a new series here on my channel where I crochet a new granny square every Friday, every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, I film a new video, me crocheting a random granny square that I find free patterns for on Pinterest, on the blogs, on YouTube tutorials, all kind of. And I put the links in the description box so you can crochet with me along, or maybe you can crochet them later. And that's it. We have no plan what to do with these grannies after we'll finish them. I don't know for how long I will be doing this, but I think that we will just, think about it together. When the time comes, we will decide what to do with the granny squares. For this series, I decided to go with cotton yarns, and I have my pile of different colors. It's weight 3, 100% cotton. It's mostly Paris by drops, all kind of different colors, beautiful colors that I picked, what I had, and I'm using my 4.5 millimeter hook. So this is episode 4. We have already made 3 granny squares, so you can go back and watch those episodes if you want to catch up. Maybe you just want to make one of them, or 2, or all 3. I don't know. You decide. Anyway, this is the last one we made. Beautiful, beautiful granny square. And this one is the second one. And this one is the first one. Really cute, very simple. I'm not going on very difficult patterns because I want to make it short, sweet, like, I don't know, 20 minutes crocheting a granny square is enough. I think it's enough. And that's it. Just a quick pause from any of your projects that you're working on these days, and you want something quick, sweet, beautiful. A new granny square. So let's get started. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So happy to have you here. I'm Sandra, the designer behind Sandra Stitches, and you're here for some crochet goodness. And today we are going to make the African flower granny square. This one. As you can see here, it's an amazing, super beautiful, and very easy granny square pattern with the flower and everything on it. You can find lots and lots of tutorials for this African flower granny square on YouTube, on the blogs, on, everywhere. So, as I said, this is not a tutorial because it's not my pattern, but I will link the video that I followed for this granny that I'm going to make in the description box below, so you can just find it there. I am choosing for this African flower, I have to choose colors, so I have a variety of colors here, and I'm choosing for this one to use this peach. In reality, it's a little bit, it's not so light. It's a bit darker. I think the camera makes it light peach, but it's a little bit darker. And my most loved mustard gold, and this raspberry color, very, very beautiful. And of course I need some ecru, and I will add also some of these amazing green. It's green blue kind of, very, very beautiful. So these are going to be my colors for the African flower granny square. I will take you with me on the journey and show you almost each row while I'm crocheting. So let's get to it. All right, we are done. Take a look at this African flower granny square. It's amazing, right? Yeah? What do you say? The colors? Amazing, right? So, I started, and as you go to maybe the third round, it gives you the feeling of, very ruffly and very curvy. But in the tutorial, the video tutorial that I followed, she says, don't worry about it because at the end, it will be okay. So I took her word and said to myself, don't worry about it. It will be okay. And if it's not, we can always block it and make it straight because it was very ruffly. But it did. It's okay. The final round just makes the whole difference. And I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It's amazing. Really beautiful. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you make one. And there are so many possibilities how to use this granny square, this African flower. I've seen it in so many projects, cardigans, blankets, hats, scarves, anything. It's just amazing. I am in love, totally obsessed. So, hope you like this video. I hope you are liking this series. If you are, please tell me in the comments. And if you have a very special granny square that you want me to work to make it in this series, please add a link in the comments so I can see it. And as always, I will see you next time. Bye bye.